In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your OneDrive account. This is a quick and straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have successfully switched to a new OneDrive account on your PC. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your taskbar, typically found at the bottom of your screen. Here, you're looking for the OneDrive cloud icon. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This action opens up your OneDrive settings, where you have a variety of options for managing your OneDrive account. After clicking on the OneDrive cloud icon, you should see a menu. In that menu, look for the settings icon, which usually resembles a small gear, and click on it to access more detailed options for OneDrive management. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll want to select the settings tab, just in case it isn't already selected by default. This selection takes you to another page featuring multiple options regarding your OneDrive's functionality. Your focus here should be on the Account tab, so go ahead and click there. Within the Account tab, you'll find an option labeled Unlink this PC. Clicking this option essentially disconnects your current OneDrive account from your PC. Don't worry, your files won't be deleted, and you can relink the same account or link a different one whenever you need to. After you select this option, a confirmation dialog might pop up, asking if you're sure about this choice. If you're prompted, confirm that you want to unlink the PC. Now, to relink or switch to another account, you'll need to restart OneDrive. You can easily do this by searching for OneDrive in your Start menu and clicking on it to launch. Once it's open, you'll be prompted to sign in. Enter the credentials for the new account you want to link to your PC. Upon signing in, you'll need to specify where you want your OneDrive folder to be located. You have the option to stick with the default location or choose a new one based on your preferences or storage needs. This step is crucial for ensuring that your files sync correctly and are stored in a place that's convenient for you. And there you have it, a new account is set up and synced with your OneDrive on your PC. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your OneDrive account. If you encounter any issues or need additional help, don't hesitate to revisit these steps or check the Microsoft support site for more detailed guidance. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.